This is Jeff Quest at Boatshed, Suffolk, and I'm currently on the J. James built, clinker built wood carvel dinghy with the looking forward, very good clean inside area. Engine is a Yanmar single cylinder, and forward to that in the centre is the wiring, control panel, bilge pump switch and voltage meters. Swinging round to the stern, the exhaust system is new and the boat does have a bilge pump obviously. Looking round now to the stern, all mahogany wood. And finally around to the Morse control. If you need to know any more about this boat, then please go to www.boatshedsuffolk.com, and many thanks for watching.